If you're thinking of selling your home, your condominium, or apartment building, we will make you an all-cash offer. We will buy any residential property in any condition. You do not need to make any repairs. You do not need to do any remodeling. If you have difficult tenants or tenants that are not paying their rent, even if the property has been condemned, we will buy it. You do not need to even clean the property. We have been buying homes for over 3 decades, and with over 30 years of experience, not too much intimidates us. When we buy a home, there are no costly agent fees or broker fees. There are no agents conducting intrusive showings with strangers in your home. We will also pay all escrow fees. We do not deal with banks, so there are no strict lender requirements or a need for an appraisal. Again, our offer is an all-cash offer, and we buy homes as is. We will also accommodate your timeline and schedule. We can close in as fast as 5 to 10 days, or we'll wait until you're ready. Selling your property doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. We offer a smooth, easy process that accommodates your needs. To get a no-obligation cash offer, please take 30 seconds and tell us about the property that you wish to sell. Visit us at coldcashoffer.com. Or please feel free to call us at 888-836-8306. We warmly welcome a conversation regarding your goals and your home.